to do?
Walk and talk. And welcome to Dover in the yard.
I thought we already did that.
You do it.
I'm gonna go.
Welcome back to Dover in the yard. We're here in the backyard seeing what we can find today. We hadn't showed y'all the backyard yet, but we're working on putting some seed down this week. Try to get it, I guess, up to standard to where the front yard is up there. If we can, we'll show you here in just a second what we're kind of working with back here. But that's going to be a little work in progress. If it'll focus. There we go. So that's where we're at right now. So this is where we're standing right now. We pretty much raked everything, got some soil amendments down. We've got our help with us. We got Roland with us. He's been helping put out Milorganite today. So, pan back over. We got irrigation in this year about, well, last week actually. So we can actually water everything good now. We've all been excited about that. We had new shrubs put in. The front yard's coming in good from the sod last year. We'll show that in a little bit. But everything's looking good. We'll show a little bit of work now.
Welcome to Dover in the yard. We're gonna work in the backyard.
You can walk around, it'll follow you.
Make sure to subscribe and like and comment down below. And we're in our backyard. Our front yard is already done standard. We got our dog Doc. We're fixing to start to have dinner in a couple of hours. And that's all.
Hello, I'm Cormay. We're out in the yard working, and this is Eli Hinton. Daddy Hinton is working sometimes, but welcome to our home. So this is our home. Daddy's working on the yard with this thing, and I just wanted to say we're over in the yard working sometimes, and I just want to go do that right now, and I hope you'll have great. Bye. I love you.
This is our front yard in standard. We've got our new shrubs, a new system for our sprinkler. We're fixing to do a little bit more stuff to it. So we've got our flowers in the yard and the big eye shape in our yard made out of sand. We got our mailbox, our tree.
Is that irrigation?
And our irrigation, whatever that is.
Sprinklers.
Sprinklers.
What else we got over here?
And we got some lanterns, more plants and shrubs. Our sprinkler right here. Our spreader. We got more sand over here.